My teams ensure that the data collected by our vehicle reaches the people and the systems that need it as quickly and reliably as possible. Sometimes this is in real time to power our fleet operations and remote assistance applications, which our teams also build. Usually too, it's in bulk, big deliveries of data to power the KPIs and advanced analytics that drive our engineering efforts. We also feed the data to our machine learning models and the systems that help the car learn how to drive better. That's a big part of the Autonomy Data organization, is supplying those efforts as well. Yeah, and we're also responsible for the network infrastructure, the sites, the offices, the data center that we have that we use to, ingest and transform and train our models and make everything better. We really need to be creative problem solvers and always with an eye to efficiency and cost optimization in everything that we do. We can't just do anything by brute force. We really need to think about it and find ways to manage the costs while still getting the problem done. So creative problem solvers that are used to going and comfortable with 0 to 1 is what I usually think about. There's no silver bullet, there's no one way to solve all the problems that get thrown at the vehicles or when you're driving. Most of the driving is boring, and the simple kind of heuristics can work fine and are real easy to understand, but then you get into tricky situations really quickly, and there's different techniques that apply well in different situations. And honestly, that's one thing great about our system, where we elect a bunch of different policies and choose the best ones, is when the simple ones start to look real bad, the more complex, the crazier things that we want to try and do, they rise to the top. And when we pick them, and the car does amazing things. And that's the thing, it's just, we have to be able to blend a bunch of different ways of solving a problem, because one approach doesn't do it. Giving us time back, right? When we need to be traveling from A to B, being able to use that time how we need to. Obviously a private vehicle is really nice and useful if you need to do things like meetings or have quiet time to work or study or something, but traveling together, having more fun.